Good morning, friends. Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, just here with a craft idea for you today. I'm doing it outside because it's a beautiful day and I'm enjoying the warmth in the air. I'm enjoying seeing birds at my bird feeder and hearing the birds chirping, but I'm here at my table and I'm going to give you an idea for a craft. So again, you don't need many materials at all. The most important part is a toilet paper roll. So as many of these as you want, because what you're going to make today is some puppets or a puppet depending on how many you have. So you need at least one roll, and then I painted mine, so of course you're going to need some paint. I use red paint and green paint today, and so I have my paint, my paintbrush, and the first thing you do is you're going to paint your roll paper, your toilet paper roll, and then you have to let it dry, so that takes a few minutes. So here I've made one that's red, and I've made another one that is green, and then I found some googly eyes. So I have my trusty googly eyes, and I also got some construction paper because I wanted to give my puppet a mouth. So the googly eyes are for his eyes, and I cut a mouth out of construction paper, and then I found I also had some pom-poms. So I gave each of them a pom-pom nose. So here are these puppets that I've created today with my red paint and my green paint. And I think they are siblings. They're a brother and a sister, so they're going to be two puppets I can put into a puppet show. And then I looked at creations that I've made over the last few months, and I found something else that I can use for my puppet show. I don't know if you were with me the day that we made this squid, but he's also out of a toilet paper roll. So here I have a squid who's going to be new friends with these siblings, this brother and sister, and I'm going to put on a little puppet show that have all of my characters in it. So I challenge you to make a few puppets today or over the next little while, and you put on a puppet show and have lots of fun. Maybe you're going to give one of your characters a tail and have it as a tiger, or maybe you're going to give one a trunk instead of a googly or a fluffy nose. You can give him a trunk and make him into an elephant. Or maybe you're going to make a puppy dog or a kitty cat. Whatever it is that you choose to make, and I hope that you will put on a fun puppet show or have fun making up stories with your puppets. And I hope that they have as good a day as you're having, and maybe you'll even do your craft outside too, because it's a beautiful day to do a craft inside or outside. Do it later, do it now. However you do it, I hope you have a great day and make a fun puppet, and all you need is your trusty toilet paper roll. Because even if you don't have paint, you can use crayons or markers. You don't have to have paint. You just need the roll. That's what's going to get you started, because you can cut eyes out of paper. You don't have to have googly eyes like I had. You can cut them out of paper too. So have fun creating a puppet, and I hope that you make a puppet show today. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.